Hey YouTube, how are you? It's your boy Peterson Idori, Idor Kicks, for the faithful guys that's been here for a very long time. You already know the new rules on YouTube is you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of videos, watch time. And basically, before I get into this sneaker video and sneaker review, I know this is gonna get a lot of views because they're early. And I just wanted you guys to hit that subscribe button and like this video and tell me what more videos do you want that are sneaker related and that are not sneaker related. I'm actually looking at some videos to sharpen my YouTube skills because I do plan on traveling next month, which is February. I will be going to Florida and I will be going to South Africa. Yes, South Africa, yes. Super excited about that, but that's enough of the story time. Remember, definitely hit that follow button, subscribe button, and let's get into it. I usually don't do on feet before I do reviews, but I actually did the on feet of these because I was actually doing the on feet of the Chinese New Year's. Where the hell are they? The Chinese New Year's that I will be posting either before this video or after this video. And these, man, Jordan Brand did an amazing job with them, man. Nines are my favorite sneaker. These are like favorite sneakers in my collection right now. They're a little dirty because I clearly did not rejuvenate them or crep them. I said rejuvenate or crep because they both basically do the same thing. I know a lot of people are gonna roast me for that, but yeah, they basically do the same thing. So these nines are the LA nines. LA nines, they release the first Saturday of the month, which is this week, this Saturday. It's amazing. The suede on it is very, very buttery. The suede on it is, it's not the suede that changes, or maybe no, it doesn't change, but this shoe, my gosh, I just went outside to do the on feet, which I will be linking somewhere, and the reactions that I got as soon as I went outside were amazing. These remind me of the ones that Fabulous had on the Hot 97 freestyle, which was stomping on Smurfs.
No comp on earth. Sky blue J's look like I stomped a Smurf.
Same colorway. Nines are my favorite. You already know the history of nines. Nines, these were actually supposed to be a baseball cleat because when the nines came out, Jordan retired. You already know his accomplishments. I know the bottom are dirty, but it's better to be dirty because you can actually see the bottom now. When they were perfectly clean, you could barely see the bottom on camera. So, make a long story short, I think these are a must cop. I'm actually going to try to cop the whole pack of LA themed sneakers. I think the 10s are, they have 10s that are LA, and what else? I think they have ones that are LA. The LA ones I didn't like, but if you guys want to see them, I'll cop them. And that's it. The review's not going to be long because we on this page are not only going to do sneakers. So I don't know if I'm going to turn this into a vlog or this is going to be just sneaker review, first looks, early access, on foot, and all that stuff. Other than that, thank you and hope you enjoyed the on foot. This is gonna be short because it's gonna be short. You know, as I'm editing this, I just realized that I did not do an outro. So thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for all the love and support. If you stayed this far, thank you for that. Definitely hit that thumbs up button, and definitely hit that subscribe button for more sneaker videos, vlogs. I'm actually going to be traveling in February, so I'm trying to get the majority of the sneakers that's coming out in February early. The Cement 3s are coming out, both of them, the white ones, and we'll see. I'm trying to get not all of them, because February is going to be a rough month, because Jordan Brand is actually abusing us this month. So thank you for stopping by. It's your boy Iador Kicks, Peterson Idore. See you in the next one. Bye.